If this is the beginning of the bear market, these are the 5 cryptos I'm buying that I think have massive potential. This is the dot-com bubble, but for crypto. You had the dot-com bubble where 99% of the stocks at that time and companies went to zero in the internet era. Now you're gonna have, in my opinion, the same thing for crypto, where 99% of cryptos go to zero. Either you have really good ones or the probabilities of you making money are really low. So these are my top 5 cryptos that I think are going to do very well in the next 5 years. First one, and my biggest conviction, Tau Bit Tensor. Tau Bit Tensor could go to $100 or $50 if Bitcoin falls to 50, 40, but in the long term is one of the best risk-reward opportunities out there. AI is just starting. Tau is a decentralized AI infrastructure protocol that incentivizes anyone in the world to create or improve any kind of problem in the world using AI. Also, you could actually use something other than AI, but AI is the main proposition for Tau. 21 million Taus will ever exist, same tokenomics like Bitcoin. And when you look at the people behind the project, like Barry Silbert, one of the first investors in Bitcoin, he says that most crypto, 99% is shit, and he thinks Tau is the best one. Price action for Tau is not looking good, but it's not looking good for almost any crypto. Until Bitcoin starts to do well, Tau will suffer because liquidity has to come from Bitcoin. But in the long term, I think the potential of Tau is similar to the potential of something like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Solana. My second biggest conviction is Hyperliquid. Hyperliquid is an insane project as well. Tokenomics, similar to Tau and Bitcoin, fairly launched. You didn't have VCs behind the scenes, so Hyperliquid is like an improved version of Binance and Coinbase. It's transparent, super fast. You can trade not only crypto, but now you can trade commodities, stocks. As they say, is the house of all finance. They are making more money than Solana and Ethereum. They made almost 40 million last month. And if you look at past year, they got to almost $1 billion in revenue. If you look at the price to earnings in crypto, we look price to sales. Hyperliquid is one of the most undervalued cryptos. Actually, it's the most undervalued crypto in the entire space. It's making a lot of money, while most cryptos are not making any kind of money. Hype is another project that I could see reaching the same potential as Solana, Bitcoin, or Ethereum. The third project, and kind of an obvious one, Bitcoin. Bitcoin is kind of obvious, but should be a very important part of each one's portfolio. At this moment in time, I think should be most of anyone's portfolio until you see the crypto you think is worth it starting to outperform Bitcoin. Is actually better